Morning, Jerome. Green $12. Let's go. Exactly. You're gonna trade ES from now on? Welcome to the club. Higher risk, so I need to be locked in once the market opens. All right. You do that, man. I think a sign of a real trader is when you can talk to hundreds of viewers on your stream and still be able to trade at the same time. Does that sound familiar? Does that sound like someone? Good morning, Tris.
Order submitted.
Order submitted. All right, I'm going long right here. Why is it not showing on my thing? Hello? Why is the order not showing? I'm gonna try reconnecting it. And try again, I guess. Oh, you know what? I figured it out. It's because I didn't set my leader account right. There we go. We're good, we're good. So this trade is gonna be from here, 35 ticks. Bro, don't give back the $12, man. That was yesterday, right? So I'm not technically giving back my profits. Green day is a green day, okay? Today's a new day. I'm starting from 0. I think your RR has a problem. You're right. Okay, here we go again. Bouncing off of 1 tick again. 1 tick away.
Order filled.
Okay. I'm in, I guess. This is a crazy dump though. I might get cooked when the market opens. You're into going opposite? Oh my god, what is this dump? The market's not even open yet. Come on. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. on Dennis. Hold on, we have a chance because we took out that low right there. So now we're gonna bounce. Nope. Just kidding. All right, let's put that as a loss. Oh, wait. What is this? We might be going to the moon. The market's gonna open in a minute 30. Okay, I'm in the positive. All right. Let's go. 1 minute until market open. If this comes down again when the market opens, I'm not gonna be mad. It's all right. You know? At least it gave me this bounce. I'll take it. Day one failed. Yeah, this is what happens if you go against me, man. You lose. All right, it's coming back down. 30 seconds left. I want this to shoot up. Pray for me. Pray for me. Oh my God. I feel like it's going to come down. Oh, it's going to come down. Go up. No. Oh, it's coming down. Let's go. Let's go up. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my God. Doesn't look that strong right now. Yeah, is this coming down? This feels like it's coming down. Of course, when I trade market open, it does this. Doesn't give me the strong bullish candle. Hello, Miss K. Yeah, I think I'm cooked. If it takes this long to go up, not a good sign. But like I said, I'm not mad. You know, I think it gave it a good, decent try. It's giving me hope. I don't know. It's giving me hope that it's going to take away in a second. Watch. Yeah, I think it's taking way too long to go up. Yeah. All right, all right. Did we ever have a chop like this at Market Open recently? I feel like we haven't. I feel like when I got into a trade, I made this happen. Almost every time there's news at 10, it chops open. Okay. So we have news at 10. Oh, the Jackson Hole thing? Okay. All right. Bad time to trade Market Open, I guess. Okay, this is good. This is good. I like this. But we still have a long ways to go. This is just the start. It can come back down like it's doing right now. Oh my god. The profits just got deleted. What's my TP? You can see it on the screen on the right on my trading view. Okay, tell me, okay, how do you not see where my TP is? Like on both screens you can see the TP. I don't understand. Are you like reading only the chat? How many ticks? 35. Don't worry, bro. It's inviting buyers, then it grab liquidity, then it'll push up after taking retracement. But you jumped early because this setup is so much familiar to me. But let's see how it'll play out. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna trail my stop loss at 25 ticks, which is 77.53. 77.53. I'm gonna break even. WRDT. It's not over yet, man. We'll see. Almost at break even here. Break even now. Free trade. $35 ticks using 1 minute isn't an easy target. I wouldn't even do it on a 15-minute chart unless it's a strong move. Well, it's market open, you know, you can't get stronger than that. Oh my God, it's coming back down. It's coming back down. I'm gonna hit break even, I think. Dean. Let's not talk about Dean, okay? We don't have to call him out, okay? This doesn't count. All right, this is still kind of having trouble going up. I made a paper account for it, by the way, not a real account. Okay, thank you for telling us that. I needed that clarification. All right, I'm gonna put this as break even because it looks like it's gonna come down. I like this, the fact that we still want to go up after that wick down. That's a good sign. But I don't want it to wick again. It's wicking down again. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, there we go. There's the push. Very nice. Good finish. Let's take that previous high, you know? That's almost my target. Nice, beautiful. I'm ready to flatten if it touches my TP and I don't get out. Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close now. Don't tell me we're coming down after that. All right, I'm going to flatten right here.
Order filled.
Woo! Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful. I like that. That was good. That was good. Bro thinks he's the big dog. Man. You can't even give me a W amount. This is like my first W in like a month. Thank you. I appreciate it. By the way, he'll lose it before the day ends. That is a big possibility. Huge W at market open. Oh, what's up, James? Off the stream, go to sleep. We had the same play. Thank you. I think it kind of got scary in the beginning, right? But it worked out. Are you not done for the day? No way. I gotta keep trading until I make millions. I think the past few streams we got up to like 24, 25, so I think 30 is doable, guys. Just make more accounts. Coming with my 6 accounts. All right. I mean, I'll do like, I'll do a giveaway and then I'll do another one at 40. I'll do another one at 50, Let's see if that works for me to get to 50 likes. 100% I won't win. Did you not hit target yet? You did, right? You got a bad fill, so you'll probably get... Oh, sorry, I was looking at the wrong chart. Your target's what? What is your target? I can't see. I don't see it on your thing. 29,760? All right. Here, let me open the entry window right now, since I won. Little early bird action here. Let me do it. Let me update it right now. We took profits before Daddy Walsh comes and beats us around. I call that a win-win. You're correct. I didn't even realize. I forgot. I just traded what I saw on the chart. Looks good for you, Dean. I almost called you Dennis. We're going higher. Hello, W. Holy crap, what was that? Hello, Lano. That's not cool. Are you gonna re-enter the same long? To prove I missed because of bad fill. Okay. Alright, you do you, man. Morning, Medi. The window's open, Medi, so if you want to enter it right now. I turned on neighbor on for day unfunded 2 RR this morning or this week. Cool. Okay, I've done 4 likes and 2 more stars to RDT family. Thanks for letting me know that you got multiple against my eye. Before Gleam, that would be an LS, but I don't care anymore. Especially I'm gonna do very little on or lighting. Whatever, yeah. Where is it? Is it that far? The entry window is open. Numbers changing is slowing down the stream. So I might have to like make it go away or something while I'm not in a trade. It should be better now. Yeah, as soon as I take away the trade evade, it improves the frame rate. So I think it was the trade. It should be better now. Secure. I should try downloading the trade evade. Wait, does trade evade have a trade evade Mac? Does it have a Mac app? I think it does. Alright, cool, it does. I'm gonna try using the Trade Evade app instead of Google Chrome, because I think Google Chrome's a little memory intensive. That's probably why it's dropping the frames. So I'm gonna try that for next time. I guess I have more homework to do for the weekend. How do I make this different color? Go for a trade seat. Oh, I'm not touching platform that hasn't been around in the last like 5 years at least. Even like 1 year. Stick around for like a year or more, then I'll think about it. Oh, it's right here. Never mind. I don't know why it's giving me a gradient. Bro, news in 1 minute. I mean, is this like technically news though? Because it's just Walsh speaking, so it's not going to be like a breaking news kind of thing. All right. If you're in a trade, good luck. Holy crap. What was that? I guess it did make a move. That's way more than I expected. Whoa, what is this pump? Crazy liquidity grab right here. Man, now it seems really good that I got out of the trade and stayed out of this. Told you, bro, it's news. Yeah, you're right. Well, we got 2 told yous. A lot of told ya. I mean, if your reasoning is that I never lose, I only get bad fills. Isn't that like everybody though? Alright, I'm gonna close the window. Today's the last day. Oh wow, Kevin, nice. $400? $500? I feel like this week was really good for you. Another win on gold. Yeah, gold's been working out for ya. Amazing. Look at the other screenshot. It was perfect timing. Yikes. Yeah, that's ugly. Good stuff, man. You're on the 5-minute? Okay. Yeah, from seeing that bullish candle and then it turned into bearish in the same 5 minutes. Big yikes. Can we just hit 30 likes, please? You know what you have to do? Start mentioning the G word. Would that help though? Guys, I'm doing a giveaway if we hit 30 likes. Go tell your friends. Whoever's lurking here, that's in a Discord where you share that kind of information. Go tell your friends. Go post on your Discord. We're not doing the codes, we're doing the Google forms. Don't tell friends because it'll reduce chance of me winning. Well, your chances are 0 if I don't do it at all. So I feel like that's worse than, you know. I need to start bringing back Lucid Tuesdays and Apex Wednesdays, you know? That's how people know, oh yeah, he's doing giveaway on this specific date. Or a specific day of the week, every week. Oh my god, we're dropping like a rock right now. Did Wash say something bad? Maybe he said we're raising rates. He's not even out yet. He's not even talking. It was a great CRT setup until news. All right, he's talking now. Alright, I'm not listening to this. Check out this bounce, guys. What is this? Tell us your story. My story is that I'm a very successful trader. Period. Do you guys think this is a long? Or no? Alright, I might take this long here. God, we're so bearish though. Jeez. Bro, what? Can this stop dipping? People really don't like Walsh or something. Something is up. You guys can't even see my order because it's so far down. Yo, if it dips more, I'm ready. I'm ready to catch it. Told you, Durov. There we go. Yeah, here's me. Losing my profits again. Well, maybe it's not going to come down. And that's okay. You know? I'm not sweating. Don't tease him, bro. He will kill you. That's right. I'm so sensitive. Please don't say anything bad about me, man. I just want positive affirmations and tell me how good I am. Always. Or else you're banned. it's not coming down. We could reverse right here if we're still somewhat bearish. Entered my first ES trade. Screenshot on Discord. Welcome to the ES club, man. Is this your paper account? I thought you were gonna go for 1,000 risk or something. Funded because of news. I'm going low risk. I have 160 more in DD from my risk, so I risk that. All right. Remember when I said we could reverse right here? That right there. If it's going to come lower, right now would be the time. Long 40, says Jerome. Bro, you know I never lose. Come on, we're going up. Oh, I'm with you, man. I think we're going up too, but I think we're just dipping a little lower before we do. All right, here comes a drop. A drop. You gotta stop that break even. Okay. Yeah, at least you got out without too much damage. But hey, if it bounces, I'd be mad. All right, it's dipping. It is dipping. So pretty much raise interest rate yet again. Did he really say that? Or did he kind of go about in a roundabout way, like we may consider it, or we're going to take the necessary steps to fight inflation? All right, we're going up, I guess. Not coming down. Dean was right once again. Once again. Roundabout, they felt they don't see the data to cool down, so they have to wait longer and potentially consider raising again. Bro, in my trade of 8, it is showing 10 minutes delay. How to deal with it? You probably have to sign an agreement. Try like logging on, logging back in. What prop firm? My favorite, they're taking their job seriously. Love it when they say that. Well, you know it's super serious when they have task forces for everything. But that's good. I want them to raise rates. It hurts me personally, but you got to think of the big picture wise. I don't want the dollar to be a toilet paper. And you want the prices to come down. 21 likes so far. We're close. We have about an hour left. Yeah, giveaway. 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 We're doing a giveaway today. Hopefully. Haha. Well, the silver lining is that we got rid of all the bots, I guess, guys. So that's a win. Thanks, bro. Now it's not showing any delay. Good. Everyone make 2 accounts. Again, I'm going to say multiple accounts are not allowed, but it's not illegal until you get caught, okay? So if you get caught doing it, I will ban you. So if you're going to do it, don't get caught. Because I had a couple people on here that got caught. Wow. So why are we going up again when Wall said we're raising rates? Isn't that a bad thing? Because you're in a trade? True. True. That is so right. I still have my order up, but since it's not coming down. Check out that 1 hour candle though. Some crazy reversal. What are you talking about? Oh. Dean, I really like that you're trading ES now, so I don't have to go over to NQ to see if you hit TP or not. Looks like you're almost there. Or you might have already hit it, I don't know. No, you have a little bit more. Conquered NQ. Now I come to toy with you guys on ES. All right, show us how it's done. You know. Right now would be a great time for a Trump tweet. Maybe talking shit to Walsh about how he's gonna raise rates. That'd be nice right now if we can get a Trump tweet. I'll be here to catch it right here. Hello, poor guy. It's evening in India. Thank you. I didn't know that. Why not rich guy yet? Yeah, exactly. Isn't it weird that people that trade always stay poor? Makes you kind of think, because rich guys don't show their rich income tax rate incoming. You're very smart. I like what you said right there. So you're saying you're rich, but you named yourself poor guy, so the IRS that's in the chat right now can't tell if you're rich. That's real smart. Okay, how do we have 11 viewers but 26 likes? Please explain. alt accounts to like. RIP, man. You're told to pick someone in chat to trade to save your life. Who are you picking? I think you're baiting for an answer here. Took another long up on that uptrend at 10:45. Done for the day. $1,100. Cool. Good job, man. It's very tough to manage shitty college and trading at the same time. Now I'm doing GPT-16 PDF to summarize it in short. Okay, so you're using ChatGPT to summarize 16 PDFs, is I think what you're saying. Man, college would be so, school itself would be so easy right now with AI. I wonder if Spark Notes as a company is still around. Probably not. TP smacked. I don't know how you do it, man. Bro, who in this chat says ICT doesn't work? I don't think anybody's against ICT here. I'm an idiot to choose CSE, Computer Science Engineering. I mean, they still need, you know, people in AI, right? But you can't be just a coder anymore. I heard like an electrician at the data centers, they make bank. So you just gotta adapt with the times, you know? Be a developer or hacker. Yeah, you can be like a cybersecurity person, because like we sure need more of that as soon, like when the AI thing blows up even more, you're going to need more security. So But now my interest is in day trading while others are going on hackathons, lead code, and here I'm with my journal looking at my losses. Yeah, man, I don't know. If that's how you want to spend your life, you know, that's your choice. Alright, I'm still on this trade. I think this might pan out still. What do you guys think? Yeah, if we get that Trump tweet right now, I'll be filled right now. Trump speaks in 5. Nice. That's what I was looking for. I'm grateful my parents are supportive. Well, they might be supportive right now, but hey, like a few years down the line, who knows? That trade is so far away. I think it's possible. Never say never. I'm gonna leave this trade alive until 11:10. So about 15 minutes left. Oh. That's the truth, bro. No one bear the fact that after college you don't have a job. I mean, it's your life, but even if I start over, I would still have some sort of a job and then get into trading. Unless you make trading your job. Like if you want to be an influencer like TJR, that is a job. So if you want to go that route, but still, I think you need some kind of a backup or something that you do alongside the trading. It's not even about like having a reliable income. That is part of it, but I feel like even if you have the money, let's say you have some rich parents and you never have to work a day in your life, I still feel like you kind of going all in on trading would be bad. Because like just the psychology aspect of it, it's going to like unravel you. So you need something else to kind of ground you. Like you need something consistent. You need something that doesn't fluctuate so much emotionally. So that for trading, it's like even if you feel that emotion, it's like you know it's okay. You know that life is great. I advise you to just quit the school stuff and become a goated trader like me. Hey, that's another take for sure. Hey, look at Dean, you know, he quit school and he's making billions of dollars every month. But Dean, not everyone can be special like you, right? So unless you think so, I wouldn't advise other people of what you've done. Because, like, not everyone's going to be goated like you. Just put in the time. I believe anyone can do anything. I was aware of it, but I don't have other thing which can make me money, and from now on I have 2 years to be profitable, so it's like make or break. I don't think that's a good mindset to have a make or break moment. Cuz like that's when your trading suffers. Like when it's all do or die moment, it's never going to work out. But hey, I could be wrong. Like, who am I to say? Why does it never work when I try to put in secret? Well, you can't put the word secret in it. There's a different word every day. And also, it only opens at a specific time when oh shit. It only opens when I specifically say on the stream, when I go, hey, the entry window's open, then you can put in the code. It'll work. Why does it keep going up? Yeah, you have to type ! secret in this chat, in the live stream chat, and my Nightbot is going to show you the code for today, and you put that code into the Gleam at a 10-minute window when I say, hey, the window's open. So it makes you kind of tune into the stream, make sure you pay attention, yada yada. I got my bachelor's degree in CS. My first job was coding emergency shutoffs for this oil company that made valves. Hated it, and now I trade and code all my stuff. Did they pay you well, at least, if it's an oil company? And I'm sure this was all before the AI boom. I know you're saying truth, bro, but still I feel I'll make it. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not trying to discourage you or anything. That's very hard because it's been a lonely journey since November 2025. You're now 19. That's nothing, man. Try doing it for 3 years alone. Weekly calendar sent. Thank you. What platform is this? It's like some weird symbols on the left. Is this tradesy? It's like if I don't recognize it, it has to be like tradesy or something. It's called Ultra. It's free. Sounds like a scam. Alright, I guess I'll cancel it now. Order canceled. Yeah, this was all before the AI boom, 2013 to 2016. That was when I was in my 20s, 97K salary and my yearly bonus. Yeah, I mean, that's great. Especially back then. It's worth a lot more. We hit 30 likes. Your cat's pitched in. Nice. All right, we'll do a giveaway. I just realized that I don't have the setup for the overlay setup for the giveaway, but we'll still do it. All right, I'll give out one Apex account. Bro, last week of the month? That is true. Let's see. How do I do this? Yeah, see, everything's messed up now because I don't have the thing ready. We'll make it work. We'll make it work, okay? Put this here. And then that's gonna screw everything up though. And then I'll put the kind of like this. And then we'll move this over to like here. Alright, this is my temporary giveaway thing, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna send out a Google form in chat. You have 1 minute to fill it out. I feel so rusty here. Go, go, go. All right. No more responses. I gave it a little more time for the boomers. All right. If we get to 40 likes, I'll do LucidFlex giveaway. So keep hitting that likes. All right, let's go. Can you guys see? Should I like move my webcam? Let me see. I'm gonna move it like maybe like here. One minute feels very short. Well, it's enough for people. It's hard to increase it because, you know, we gotta fight the bots still. All right, good luck. Who's gonna win? Here it comes. Hola. Hola for the win. The guy who said it's too short. Alright, thank you guys. Alright. How many more likes? 5 more likes for the next giveaway, so keep that up. You were leading from the beginning? Okay. I wasn't paying attention. But you get Apex account. You don't even know what you won? Alright, if you don't want the Apex account, give it to someone else. Alright, let's fix the charts here. It's kind of messy right now because I wasn't looking. I never traded them, but I'll try. Okay. Keep in mind, you have to pay the activation fee. But I guess you can use it for practice. I don't know. Do whatever you want. But don't be like, oh, can I get 20 bucks instead? Don't be that person. Two more likes and I'm out of cats. What is second giveaway? LucidFlex. Okay, I'm gonna put this rule that if you won the first one, you can't win the second one. So if you want LucidFlex, you gotta give away your Apex. Let's make it that. Alright, there you go. Alright, everybody. Put in a good word for Ola and he'll give you an Apex account. How do you enter the giveaway? I send out a Google form that you have to fill out within a minute. Everybody tell Ola how good of a trader he is. You know what'd be funny though, Ola? Like, think about it. You could donate this account and still not win the LucidFlex, right? So you could just like not win anything. So you're taking that risk. Rerun the race. I'm happy if I don't win. Okay, we'll rerun the race. That's more fair. Let's bring back the duckies. Alright, good luck. This person wins an Apex. What are the red dash lines? What levels are they? They're the 50%, quarter, and then 3/4. So 25%, 50%, 75% of the hourly range. I know Dean doesn't want it. And he'll probably gift it too. $40 likes already? Where are these people coming from? I only have 10 viewers. What is going on? It's the power of the G word. I mean, it's not really working for me because I don't have viewers and likes per se. Alright, Medi, you won. Clown finally wins. Alright, Medi with Apex. Alright, let's hurry this up before I get another setup here. Alright, this is for LucidFlex, okay? Don't give it to first place. Use random number to give the account. I mean, first place is random anyway, so that seems like another step that's not necessary. Medi, obviously you can't win this since you got the Apex. All right, closed. If I win this one, I'll give up the Apex. I can't do that, man. You can't just fish it out, you know? Are you in here? I don't see you on here, so I think you're good. Did I do another Google form? Yeah, it's another one. It's a different one. You didn't know that? Thought it was the same? Alright, fine. We'll do it again. It's gonna be a different one every time, okay? Now that we know. Alright, let me remake it. I did both. Do I do the Lucid again? What do you mean you did both? I already filled the first one for Lucid. Okay, so the first one that I sent out, that's only for Apex that we just did, right? Since I'm doing a new giveaway, you have to fill out the one that I'm about to send. It's gonna be changing every time. In giveaway, 6 Apex accounts are with activation fee. They all have activation fee. It says so in the giveaway text. If you read. All right, we're gonna do it again. All right, new form, go, go, go. Okay, no more. Oh, people are quicker this time. Ho ho ho. Thank you for everyone with putting up with me being slow. Yeah, we gotta take care of the elders, you know. All right, good luck. Yeah, we got Granny here too. Don't forget that. I did just turn 50 last month. Oh, wow. That's a big milestone, man. Happy birthday, belated. Let's celebrate it with you winning right here. Kevin's gonna win with the wizard hat. Nope. Falling behind. Is it gonna be Triss? Ola's gonna win. Jerome. Jerome that says nothing every time wins. Is Jerome here though? Alright, he's here. Bro, just end me. Dean, you just won, okay? You just won on the main giveaway, so you're fine, you're fine. Bro won like 5 times this month. That is true. Alright, 50 likes, another one. LucidPro. I got a LucidPro to give away. But we probably can't get there. It's when you don't care to win, you win. Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. I did say that to Dean. You need to stop caring. Bro locking in because month ends and he'll ask for another one. It doesn't work like that, okay? Okay, how do we get 3 more likes out of nowhere, okay? And the viewer count didn't go up at all. Please explain. Someone. The market makers and IRS are liking. Oh yeah, they need their prop firm accounts. Well, just so you know, it's only gonna get harder next time. We're gonna start at 40, 50, 60 like that. Maybe that's what I need to do. 100. Oh my god. I think 50 is too easy. Look at that. I really don't know where these likes are coming from. You guys are making me make another form. $11 viewers, yeah. I have 11 viewers but 50 likes. See, this is why the 200 likes by Friday, it wasn't that crazy of a goal, right? We could get to 50 a day. Easily. How much likes for next? 50, man. One more like. Someone needs to make one more account. BRB, I need coffee. Okay. Alright, we'll wait for Miss K to come back to start the giveaway. Cause she pays money, okay? She pays money, so she gets to have that privilege. Tradify, when they first started streaming the London session, it was 50 likes. Now they're at 1K and above. Okay. So that is what I need to do. This is good. I need these kind of insights, guys. I need tips on how to go big. I'm taking you on the phone. Don't hold everyone up. Okay, well, make sure you can enter. All right, Jerome and Medi's out. This is the form. You're ready this time for a new form? Okay, good. All right, hold on. Timer needs to be set. Is this the last one? Yeah, this is the last one. So good job, everybody, for reaching the end goal here. I'll take the 50 likes. All right, let me make sure I have the right link. All right, go, go, go. If I don't win, I'm out. Okay. Yeah, we're kind of reversing, looks like. So I'm not gonna get us set up. I'll probably head out after this. I might have to go like 40 to start off and then 60 and 80. 20 likes. That's gonna make it harder. Today was to gauge kind of like you guys' ability to get the likes up. Seems like I underestimated you guys. Alright, closed. Medi not eligible. Alright, I'm gonna take you out. This once every 1 or 2 weeks, it's alright. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. I don't know. Maybe I can do it every-ish day. It really depends how many accounts I have. Probably not every day. I can't give out 3 accounts every day. Alright, first place gets LucidPro. That's funny. Yeah, you are. You're a granny duck. Not a good sign that you're first right now. Whoops. There we go. Yeah, I think the Trade Evade tab on my Google Chrome is definitely slowing things down. Oh, no way. No way. Alright, let's redo. I think the game was kind of rigged and too laggy. Let's do a redo, guys. Alright, redo. Just kidding. Just kidding. Alright, Dean gets his happy moment now, okay? We should all be happy for Dean. He never won, even though he was always here. I don't know about 3 months. Alright, if you want today, reach out to me in Discord. I'll do the usual verifications. I think everyone here already got an account from me, so they know the process. Bro, looks like I'm making it soon. Hey, I still want those accounts donated to me, okay? When you make it. They're coming. All right, cool. I would say this is a good investment. Yeah, the stream was a bit laggy today. I'm gonna try to fix that for next time. I think I have way too many things going on in the background, so it's making the stream laggy. So I gotta figure out a way to streamline that. Bro, I had the best trade today, W. Today was a good week for you, man. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head out here. Today was a good stream. Caught a win live on the stream. That's always the best part. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a good week. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you guys on Monday. Thank you guys. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.